Hey everybody, welcome to Big E's Auto. I'm Big E. So, we're in a trailer today. This is got an update video, not really anything technical. Just bringing you up to speed on what's going on with the motor. I don't have a lot of time because my phone just told me my battery's ready to die. So we're going to make this quick, okay? So obviously we have the motor here. We took the pan off. You see the oil pickup here. If you look underneath, there's the crank counterweights, connecting rods. So basically what I did was I was looking for anything that might have vibrated loose. I'm just going to show you guys up in here. So basically, we're checking for metal shavings or anything that looks like the thrust bearing is disintegrating, and I don't see anything that would suggest that that's what's happening. As you can see, it's pretty clean. I mean, realize it's only 30 passes on this motor, but it's pretty clean. So, with that being said, we also got new cam bolts for the timing chain, although they're not torqued, because it's probably going to be coming apart because we're going to be degreeing the camshaft. I'm not sure if I'll be able to do a video on that or not, how to degree the camshaft, because we're going to be going over to Tom Goldman's shop to do that. So I don't want to disrespect him in any way if he doesn't want a camera there. But he's going to help me out with that. We're going to degree the cam. The original problem, which I still think is this keyway here that wasn't there before, that was messing up the timing. I think that 95-cent piece is what kept us from going in the 11s. So that's pretty much it. Basically cleaning the oil pan, degreeing the cam, and then just start putting the engine back together is kind of where we're at with this. So we just need head gaskets, a couple head bolts, and put everything back. I'm hoping by maybe late July, early August, hopefully have the engine back in turd and have turd running, and hopefully ready to make a rip. So I just wanted to update you guys what was going on with the 383. For now, that's all I have. I'm trying to think if there's anything else technical. No, other than the new addition we have is I figured I'd get myself a nice engine crane. So that was an addition to my my tool inventory. So now we can pull motors out and stuff. So yay, that'll make life easier. So that's it for now. Like and subscribe. Watch out for each other. Take care of each other. We'll see you next time right here on Big E's Auto. Take care for now.